Okay, hello guys. Right now I want to teach you how to do a very quick video rendering with Enscape. We have already taught in the former video how to do picture rendering using screenshots with Enscape. So right now this is the video editor. Once you click on it, this thing comes out, and to just easily do a video rendering, you just need to have a start point and an end point. So once you come over to the video editor right here, you just come here to click a start point. So this happens to be our start point, and we then go and have an end point. So we have to move our camera to have an end point. So what we're just going to do now. So right now I'm going to have an end point. So to just go and give us an end point. So it's going to render the video from that start point to this end point. Just have some distractions. Alright, so we're going to make this place our endpoint right here. So you're going to start from that place and end around here. Then we'll now click this button. So once you click that button, it's telling us 17 seconds. That's how the video duration will be. So you can actually reduce it to whatever you want. If you want it to be more than 17 seconds, you can choose. If you want it to be 20 seconds, 15 seconds, you can now edit here. So I'm changing mine to 15 seconds. If you want yours to be longer than that, with 30 seconds, you can also make the video to be longer. So once it does, you can actually do a preview of your video. You can do a preview. So you can see the preview right now. So this is the preview of the video rendering. So you can see you want to do this for 15 seconds. So this is a preview. So end to end here. So after you're done with the preview, if your preview is okay, then you click on export. Then once the resolution is okay and everything, you can now click export. So you're going to choose where you're going to save it. I'm going to save it in my picture. So I'll click on test 2, save. So you export the video, and most of the time the video exporting or rendering can actually take time. So once it's done as rendering, we're going to play it for you to see. Right now we are done rendering the video, so you can actually go to pictures to play. So test 2. So this is the video recording. We started from this left hand side and it's going to the right hand side. So you can actually see how it's going just for 15 seconds. You can make your own to be longer by making it 30 seconds, so it moves so slowly. Alright, kindly like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel.